Today we learn about belladonna. Its common name is deadly nightshade and family Solanaceae. Characteristics: belladonna act upon every part of the nervous system, producing active congestion, furious excitement, perverted spatial senses, twitching, convulsion, and pain. It has a marked action on vascular system, skin, and glands. Belladonna always is associated with hot, red skin, flushed face, glaring eyes, throbbing carotids, excited mental state, hyperesthesia of all senses, delirium, restless sleep, convulsive movements, dryness of mouth and throat with aversion to water, neuralgic pains that comes and goes suddenly. It shows heat, redness, throbbing and burning, and also a great children remedy. Epileptic spasm followed by nausea and vomiting, scarlet fever, and also prophylactic. Belladonna stand for violence of attack and suddenness of onset. Belladonna also used for extreme thyroid toxemia. Mind. Patient lives in a world of his own, engrossed by specters and visions, and oblivious to surroundings and realities. While the retina is insensible to actual objects, a host of visual hallucinations throng about him and come to him from within. He is actually alive and crazy by a flood of subjective visual impression and fantastic illusion. While hallucinating, he sees monsters and hideous faces. He is in delirium and sees frightful images. He is furious, shows rages, bites and strikes. He always shows desire to escape from every situation. Loss of consciousness, shows decline to talk. Perversity with tears, acuteness of all senses, changeableness. Now head, vertigo with falling to left side or backward, sensitive to least contact, head shows much throbbing and heated. Palpitation reverberating in head with labored breathing, pain, fullness, especially in forehead, also occiput and temples, headache from suppressed catarrhal flow and sudden outcries. Pain worsen on light, noise, jar, lying down and in afternoon, better by pressure and semi-erect posture, boring of head into pillow, drawn backward and rolled from side to side. Constant movement, hair splits is dry and come out, headache worse on right side and when lying down. Ill effects, cold, etc. from having haircut. Face is red, bluish red, hot, swollen, shining convulsive motion of muscles of face. Swelling of upper lips. Facial neuralgia with twitching muscles and flushed face. Eyes. Throbbing deep into the eyes on lying down. Pupils are dilated, eyes feel swollen and protruding. Staring, brilliant, conjunctiva red, dry and burnt. Photophobia, shooting in eyes, exophthalmos, ocular illusion, fiery appearance. Also diplopia, squinting, spasm of lids, sensation as if eyes were half closed, eyelids fallen, fundus congested. Ears, tearing pain in middle and external ear, humming noises. Membrane tympani bulges and injected, parotid gland swollen. Sensitive to loud tones, hearing very acute, otitis media, pain causes delirium. Child cries out in sleep, throbbing and beating pain deep in the ear, synchronous with heartbeat, hematoma aureus, acute and subacute condition of eustachian tube, autophony, hearing one's voice in ear. Nose, imaginary odors, red and swollen with tingling sensation on tip. Bleeding of nose with red face, coryza, mucus mixed with blood. Mouth. Mouth is dry, throbbing pain in teeth. Shows gum boil, strawberry tongue, it's red at edges. Grinding of teeth, tongue is swollen, painful and shows stammering. Throat is dry, as if glazed. Throat is red, worse on right side, tonsil enlarged, throat feel constricted, difficult deglutition. Worse on taking liquid, sensation of lump. Esophagus dry, feels constricted, spasm occur in throat, continual inclination to swallow. Scraping sensation occurs in throat. Muscles of deglutition very sensitive. Hypertrophy of mucous membrane occurs. Stomach shows loss of appetite, aversion to meat and milk. Spasmodic pain in epigastrium, constriction, pain runs to the spine. Shows nausea and vomiting, great thirst for cold water. Stomach shows spasm, empty retching, absence of liquid, spasmodic hiccup, dread of drinking, uncontrollable vomitings. Abdomen. It is distended, feels hot. Transverse colon protruded like a pad. Abdomen feels tender, swollen, pain as if clutched by a hand, worse, jar, pressure, cutting pain across stitches in left side of abdomen when coughing, sneezing or touching it, extreme sensitiveness to touch, bed clothes, etc. Stools is thin, green, dysenteric, in lump like a chalk. Shuddering occurs during stool passes. Stinging pain occurs in rectum, spasmodic strictures. Piles more sensitive with backache, prolapsus ani. Urine retention occurs. Acute urinary infections. Sensation of motion in bladder as of a worm. Urine is scanty with tenesmus, dark and turbid, loaded with phosphate. Vesical region is sensitive, incontinence, continuous dropping, frequent and profuse with hematuria. Prostatic hypertrophy. In male, testicles are hard, drawn up, inflamed, nocturnal sweat of genitals, flow of prostatic fluid, desire is diminished. In females, sensitive, forcing downwards as if all the viscera wool protruded at genitals, dryness and heat of vagina, dragging around the loins. Pain occurs in sacral region. Menses increased, bright red, too early, too profuse, hemorrhage, hot, cutting pain from hip to hip, menses and lutea very offensive and hot, labor pain comes and goes suddenly. Mastitis pain, throbbing, redness and strike radiate from the nipple. Breast feel heavy and hard and red. Tumors of breast occurs. Pain is worse on lying down. Badly smelling hemorrhage. Hot gushes of blood, diminished lutea. Respiratory system. Drying in nose, fauces, larynx and trachea. Tickling, short, dry cough, worse at night. Larynx feels sore, respiration oppressed, it's quick and unequal. Chain stroke respiration, hoarse, loss of voice, painless hoarseness. Cough with pain in left hip, barking cough, whooping cough with pain in stomach before attack, with expectoration of blood, stitches in chest when coughing. Larynx is very painful, feels as if a foreign body were in it, with cough, high piping voice moving at every breath. Heart shows violent palpitation reverberating in head with labor breathing, palpitation from least exertion, throbbing all through body, necrotism, Heart seems too large, rapid, but weakened pulse. Extremity shows shooting pains occurs along the limbs. Joints are swollen, red and shiny, with red streaks is radiating. Tottering gait, shifting rheumatic pains, phlegmasia alba dolens occurs. Jerking limbs, spasm, involuntary limping, cold extremities. Back shows stiff neck, swelling of glands of neck. Pain occurs in neck as if it will break. Pressure on dorsal region, most painful. Lumbago with pain in hip and thigh. Skin is hot and dry, swollen, sensitive, burns, scarlet, smooth eruption like scarlatina, suddenly spreading. Erythema and pustules occurs on face. Hands are swollen, tender and red. Boils, acne, rosacea, suppurative wounds, alternate redness and paleness of skin. Induration after inflammation and erysipelas. Fever. A high fever state with comparative absence of toxemia. Burning, pungent, steaming heat from the body. Feet is icy cold. Superficial blood vessels distended. Perspiration dry only on head. No thirst with fever. Sleep is restless. Crying out during sleep. Greeting of death. Screams out in sleep. Sleeplessness with drowsiness starting when closing the eyes or during sleep. Sleep with hand under the head. Modalities. Aggravated by touch, jar and lying down. Also by noise, drop and afternoon. And lying down. Ameliorated by semi-erect posture.